Happy Lawns, where the grass is really greener, serving Salt Lake and Utah County areas. Hey, you get your first mow free when you mention this video. Here are some of the happy lawns we have recently done.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Remember, we provide free quotes and you get your first mow free when you mention this video. We also do mowing, edging, blowing, aeration, power raking, tilling, trimming, and much, much more. Happy Lawns is committed to providing quality service throughout Utah, starting as low as $20 a week. Call Rob at 801-361-9820 today.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.